नहमदुहु नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Dear student, today we want to discuss the wheat area and production in the world, and there we also want to discuss per hectare yield of each country of the world. So now we want to take a start the lecture. Wheat is grown yearly on 215 million hectares, an area equivalent to that of Greenland, and distributed from Scandinavia to South America and across Asia, making it more widely grown than any other staple food crop. Nearly US $50 billion worth of wheat is traded globally each year. China is the top country by wheat production in the world. As of 2020, wheat production in China was 1,34,250,000 tons. That accounts for 21.06% of the world wheat production. Moisture deficiency in the soil brings no optimism for agrarians and get on their nerves no less than quarantine in the world crisis. They discuss the weather, share photos of field in specialized community, try to estimate the future harvest and possible options, what wheat crop Ukraine and its global industry colleagues will harvest is to be known within a couple of months. In the meantime, we shall analyze the global wheat production in 2019 pursuant to the data of Klapman Group. The total global wheat area in 2019 equal to 218 million hectares. The five leaders in terms of areas cover 122 million hectares, which accounts for more than half of all world's area. Under this grain crop, top 5 countries in terms of sown areas include India 30 million hectare, Russia 27 million hectare, and EU 26 million hectare, China 24 million hectare, US 15 million hectare. Ukraine shares 10th position with Turkey and Iran having the area under crops of 7 million hectare or 3% of the global area. In 2019, wheat in Egypt yielded the most 6.4 ton per hectare. The EU and China have practically the same result of 5.9 and 5.5 ton hectare respectively. Uzbekistan ranks 4th with 4.9 ton per hectare, having undertaken Ukraine 4.1 ton per hectare. The USDA statistical data shows that China, India, and Russia dominate wheat production, accounting for 46% of the world production. China holds this high position as a result of good crop yield of 5.5 ton per hectare last year, with a total of 132 million ton harvested by agri-producer. India ranks second owing to its significant area. 102 million ton of wheat were harvested on 30 million hectare. In Russia, 27 million hectare were allocated for wheat and 74 million ton of grain were harvested. Over 10 years, Ukraine has moved up to 2 positions in the world ranking of wheat producers. The crop volume increased by 38% to 29 million ton. Production in India 27%, Canada 22% has also increased significantly. Under the February IGC report in 2019/2020, wheat crops area to be harvested may reach 221 million hectare and production 769 million hectare according to USDA March 2020 data. The total volume of wheat trade made up 184 million ton. Over 8 years, this figure has increased by 30 million ton or 20%. Over the past 4 years, Argentina 54%, Russia 37%, and the US 26% have seen the highest export growth. Key wheat exporters in 2019-20 include Russia 35 million ton, EU 32 million ton, US 27.5 million ton, Canada 23 million ton, and Ukraine 20.5 million ton. Turkey 164%, the Philippines 48%, Bangladesh 38% posted the highest import growth from 2015 to 16 to 2019 to 20. Largest wheat importers in 2019-20 include Egypt 12.5 million ton, Indonesia 11 million ton, Turkey 10.5 million ton, Brazil 7.3 million ton, and Philippines 7.3 million ton. China production is 1320 million ton despite the fact that China wheat areas are not the world's largest. This country remains the leader in terms of yield indicators from 2009 to 2019. Thus, it dominates the global wheat production, and 10 years production has improved by 15%. Exports stand at only 1.1 million ton. Most of the crop is traded domestically. The India production is 1020 million ton. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop grown in India. Its production has boosted by 27% in 10 years. The country holds the 7th position by yield in 2019, 3.4 ton per hectare. In the future, due to the limited space available for crop production, higher production is possible. With the introduction of new technologies and yields improvement, Russia ranks third largest wheat producer. In the year 2019, it dominated foreign trade with 35 million tons of export, representing 47% of the Federation total production. The sown area under winter and spring wheat make up 56% and 44% of all sown area. Russia production is 743 million ton. Russia ranks third largest wheat producer. In the year 2019, it dominated foreign trade with 35 million ton of export, representing 47% of the Federation total production. The sown area under winter and spring wheat make up 56% and 44% of all sown area. The total production in United States is 523 million ton. Wheat is the basic cereal crop of the United States. It is cultivated all over the country. By 2019, the country production fell by 13% or 8 million ton, with average yields remaining high at 3.5 ton per hectare. More than 70% of US wheat is winter, commonly used in bread production due to its high gluten content. The total production of wheat is 395 million tons. France is Europe's largest grain producer. Crops are harvested throughout the country. They are observed an annual decrease in agricultural land area in the country. However, compared to last year, wheat production has increased by 10%. It is winter wheat that is mostly cultivated in the country. Although the area under crops has been reduced, wheat production is in a positive trend in Canada. In 2019, the country ranked fourth in terms of wheat export, exporting 23 million ton, which accounts for 70% of all domestic production. The total production of wheat of Canada is 330 million tons, although the area under crops has been reduced. Wheat production is in a positive trend in Canada. In 2019, the country ranked fourth in terms of wheat exports, exporting 23 million ton, which accounts for 70% of all domestic production. The total production of Ukraine is 290 million ton in 2019. Ukraine increased wheat production by 18% or 4.3 million ton. In addition, it ranks fifth in the world export of wheat. As compared to 2018, the volume of trade increased by 28%. About 98% of wheat grown in Ukraine is winter. In 2018, over 6 million hectares were allocated for this crop. The total wheat production of Pakistan is 256 million ton per Pakistani citizen. Wheat is the most popular cereal in key nutrition. 80% of farmers engage in its cultivation. Wheat production in Pakistan increased by only 7%. Over a decade, it ranks 11th in 2019 with an average yield of 2.9 ton per hectare. The Germany total wheat production was 23 million ton, even though Germany production has fallen by 8% over the past 10 years. It remains one of the largest wheat producers in the EU. Also, since 2015, there had been a significant drop in yields, but since 2019, the situation has changed and production has increased by 14%. The Turkey production is 190 million tons. So, this was a short lecture which I have discussed there. So, therefore, it is necessary for you to analyze the situation. In one country, the production is more. In the other country, the production is less. In one country, the area is more, but in other country, per hectare production is more. So there are so many factors. There, the first one is soil fertility, and the third one is quality inputs, and the fourth one is the condition of the environment and climate, and the sixth one is the condition of the people. If the people are have more income, so they purchase the input in time, so those people, those country production is more than the other country. But sometimes there are university which are working for agriculture purpose. So if there the more agriculture people are present there, because of this they work there, and they play a great role in the wheat production increasing. So now I want to conclude this lecture. Please share this lecture with your colleagues and with the other audience of the world to know that where the wheat production is more and the total production in the world is how much, and where per hectare production is high and what are the reason. So now I want to switch up the lecture.